Hi, this is Prem Tamang, interfacing Lab 11. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can display the student ID and the character that is read from the RFID reader in the LCD display. For that, I have a program here. So the global variable are already defined here. We have defined here, and the required functions are defined here. And in the main program, we will initially initialize our ports serial connections, and then initialize our LCD display and display our student ID, and we will just read and display our card ID, which is read by our RFID reader. And for the demonstration, I will just move to the demonstration part. So this is my lab setup. Here we have RFID module, reader module, and everything is set to. And I will just build my program and load the program into the module. So it's currently displaying my student ID. I will just tap my RFID this card to reader module. So now it's displaying my RFID number. So it's successfully reading the card number. Thank you.